Hello, everyone, and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lijo. Good morning, Arun, Deepak, and good morning, everyone. Cool. And welcome to the day 3 of the 55 days live online training with the Cloud DevOps Hub. And I'm Vikas. I will be your trainer and mentor. Cool. As soon as you will come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com, you will be able to see one pop-up where all the details of the Batch-36 which we are running is available into this place. As soon as you will click on the enroll, you will get all the details. This is the syllabus which we are following because every time the student has a question, we will cover up this or not. Everything is mentioned into this. This is not a syllabus, it's a tracking sheet for us. Whatever we have completed, whatever we have not completed, we will make it green and we will say that it is completed. Okay. Okay. Why this looks like this? Let me make it proper. Yes, can I get your confirmation that whatever has been mentioned into the day 1, we have completed that? Yes, no. Yes, no, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? We have covered up the demo also, the big picture demo in the yesterday's session as well with the help of Cloud and DevOps too. Okay, chalo. Yesterday we have discussed about the servers and data centers. Agree? Please, yes, fast.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I have explained you about the cloud virtualization as well, cloud computing introduction as well. I given with the public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud as well. Public cloud and private cloud and hybrid cloud. Correct? This much. Agree?
Yes.
Right? Cool. Okay. We have not discussed much into this part. Okay, but we have did the practical. That's okay. Cloud computing concept we have taken care. Architecture we have taken care. Cloud deployment model we have taken care. And big picture. Plus we have taken care the Windows 11 emulator which is running as a container with the help of Docker into the Google Cloud. Correct. So can I mark as a green?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And physical infrastructure, traditional approach, problems we have already understood about with the help of data center. Okay, cool. So I'm just making this part as a key. Now, very important, this is still missing. Okay, which we have not able to complete in the yesterday's session. So first we will discuss this, and then we will move into the day 3. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Now let's come to this, and I hope everyone knows where is the recording in PPT. Guys, if you will, this is our LMS system. Okay, in this place, if you have not yet registered, the 0 rupees button will come. Just click and register on that. Okay, with your email ID. As soon as you will register, the continue button will come. As soon as you will click on the continue, you will able to see the complete LMS system. Okay, in this LMS system, it's a very sweet and simple. Okay, pre-request, what you have to be aware about it, whatever we have learned into the day 1 PPT is available here. You can click here next and read all the PPT materials. Okay, whatever the videos are available, it is available into this place as well. At this point, the backend is YouTube. Okay, we can able to see the videos on the YouTube because if some student will not able to reach there, so he can watch the videos into the YouTube as well. Plus, day 2 related PPT is available here, which we are discussing. Agree? Yes, no,
Yes.
everyone,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. And day 3 as very same. Day 3 video and PPT will come into this step. Okay, and then the module wise PPT will be there. Okay. Now, where we are? Yes, we are here. Let's go to the day 2. I would like to understand, we have created a practical in the yesterday's session. Can you help me out with the steps? Go ahead, fast, quickly. What we did. Go ahead, please. Guys, answer. If you will not able to give the answer here, you will not able to give the answer into the interview as well. Please.
Yeah. We
Go ahead.
created a VM on the
Google Cloud.
Google Cloud, and
Correct.
after that we install the Docker, and
Correct.
after that we install in the web server. It's Nginx, And
Correct.
post that we done the configuration, like we push that the configuration code
Correct. We
on that.
configuration with the help
Yes.
of means we downloaded the Nginx image and
Image,
we
right.
configured with the current code, okay, the website code, whatever we have choose it, and then we have run it. The container has been run and the application has been created.
Yes,
Correct,
right, right.
guys? Everyone very clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Means in simple, I
Yes.
can say in simple short, I can
Yes.
say I use the cloud technology. Means I take the help from the cloud provider for my hardware related thing. I use the containerization technology with the help of DevOps knowledge. The containerization tool is Docker, which we have used it. We downloaded the image, ready-made image of the Nginx, and then we have put our code into that image and it become a container and our application was running in the yesterday's session. Guys, if you missed it by any reason, watch the day 2 video, you will get that answer. Okay. And these are the steps we have followed step by step. Guys, if you have a AWS or GCP account, you can able to copy paste these commands. What do you say? Obviously, yes, yeah. Yes or no? Yes, no. You will able to copy paste?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I will give you all these commands step by step. You have to try it by own over the weekend as well, or not over the weekend, after 1 or 2 days when we will create a GCP or AWS account as well. Okay, no need to worry. Cool. But the important part came here. Okay, the important part came here. What all things we have used into the yesterday's class? Okay, we have created the virtual machine. We have put the operating system inside it. We have installed the Docker inside it. We have downloaded the Nginx image as well. We have downloaded the code, my code, website code, and then we can say that my complete application was ready. Agree, everyone?
Sir.
Everyone. Now, give me the answer. What, as per your understanding, what is SaaS? Software as a service. What is SaaS? Go ahead. Go ahead. What is SaaS? Yes,
The Docker.
wrong answer. What is SaaS? The general answer I need. Don't go here. General answer I need. Software
Like
as a service.
Gmail. Software as a
Gmail,
service.
which we use.
If I will say ready to use, okay, where we don't have to
Like
do
YouTube,
anything.
like
Correct.
Netflix, like
Ah.
Amazon Prime.
To
Now
VM,
come.
VM, sir.
No, wrong answer. Chalo. All are rejected. Okay. One more try, please. One more try. The intention, guys, understand the intention. What exactly the conclusion will come. Okay. Please try.
The
Just
final
begin.
product which we can use the service.
Correct. Lizo. Okay. Lizo's answer is correct. Final product. Okay. Which has been created and ready to use for you guys. Guys, we created the website which is ready for use to you. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
For
Yes.
you means whatever we have developed in the yesterday class, okay, that is software as a service for you. You can directly use the crypto or you can directly use the Windows 11. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? So for you, it's a software as a service because everything, you don't have to do anything. Everything has been provided by someone else. Okay, chalo. Who is the someone else? Means what I did. Okay, chalo, I will come here. Okay, what I will did. Okay, infrastructure as a service. I took the infrastructure from the GCP. Okay, means I took the virtual machine and I took the operating system from the GCP. Means GCP has provided the infrastructure as a service to me. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Right? Right? After that, I took, means I as a DevOps engineer, I took the infra from the Google Cloud. I installed Docker and Nginx inside it, and it become the platform for me. I can put any application, means I put it 2 applications there, right? One is the what we can say website, and one is the Windows 11. So it's a platform for me. Are you agree? Yes or no? If we are a DevOps engineer, it's a platform for me. I can put any of the application there. Right? If new code will come, new website code will come, platform will be same. I just have to change the code. Agree? Guys, how many people are agree here? Please let me know.
Yes.
Right? So I can say as a DevOps engineer, it's a platform for me, means it's a platform as a service for me. Or as a dev means for the developers also, if let assume I given this platform to them, whatever the code you want to put put the code and it will be the service for the end user or for the client. Gmail is not the software as a service for the developers, right? Yes or no? That is a platform. They can change anything. Agree? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes, yes.
right? Keep remember this. If you will able to remember this, you will able to differentiate this thing very easily. Cool. Okay. Any question here? Anyone from this? No? All digestible?
No.
All good? All good? Digestible?
Yes.
Chalo, cool. Thank you. Chalo. Now, as you know, cloud services has been divided into three parts: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Ready to use is software as a service, which you are directly using it. Build it. If you are building something, that is called platform as a service. If you are developing something, that is called infrastructure as a service. Simple example, guys, Google Drive, which I told yesterday. Okay, you can put videos, PPT, images, anything. Okay, that is a infrastructure. After that, platform, if you will see Google Docs, this is Google Doc, which I'm using in front of you. I don't have to install Microsoft Office and all this thing. I just have to put my PPT there and it will work. Okay, that is a platform as a service. Means I can build the thing, I can build the images, I can build the PPTs over that. Okay, use directly consumable. You can directly create an account and consume it. That all example as a like a Gmail, it's a consumable application. Okay, simple. Another example, I can say that infrastructure service is unfurnished flat. Okay, yes, infrastructure is unfurnished. I can furnish anything over that, right? Yes or no? I'm installing Docker, I can install any other tool also. Are you agree? Yes,
Yes.
no, right? Platform as a service is semi-furnished, means he already provided something to me. Okay, already someone is providing something to me, that is called semi-furnished. Or ready to use, like a PG, go and stay there, or go and stay there. Simple. Okay. Real-time example, virtual machine, which we have used already. Kubernetes, let us assume Kubernetes, but in the Kubernetes, I'm not installing the Kubernetes, someone is installing the Kubernetes to me. Or I can say that databases, whatever the databases are available into the cloud providers, that all are the platform, means they are providing the platform. You can put your data and you can use it. Make sense? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
no? Everyone, guys, everyone, yes or no? I need an instruction. Write into the chat box,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Please write into the chat box. Please, everyone. Mohammad Akhtar, thank you. Others? Amit, Priya, okay, Shubh, thank you. Others, everyone. Priya, thank you. Preeti, cool, very good, thank you. Okay, and I can say the another example, software as a services, SQL service. If you want to send a messages to someone, okay, notification service, monitoring system, automatically developed monitoring system, that is called ready to use. So these are the example, guys. This can be discussed in your interview if you will write cloud computing in your resume. Okay, cool. So let's go more deeper into it. Okay. When I'm talking about the infrastructure as a service, earlier I just told very simply virtual machine and operating system. But there is a backend also available. Okay, the backend is says infrastructure. Chalo, first, let us assume you are managing everything. Okay, you are not going into the cloud. If you are not going into the cloud, you have to worry about networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, application, everything. Are you agree? Yes or no? If you will be into the traditional approach, right?
Yes, completely agree.
You have to manage
Yeah.
everything. There will be a separate team. If anywhere, any issue, any integration issue, you or your team or your manager or whatever it is will be the sole responsible to fix that. Okay, cool. Now, if you are taking the infrastructure, networking, storage, server, virtualization, and operating system will be taken care by the provider itself. You don't have to worry for that. Are we worried about the networking when we created the GCP machine? No. Storage, we just have to tell I need 30 GB. So they have provided 30 GB. Servers, hardware's kind of thing. Virtualization, we don't have to worry. We just selected the operating system and they have delivered to us. Are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes.
Right? That is called infrastructure as a service. Guys, keep remember this, very important. Okay. After that, in the platform came middleware and runtime. Means this thing is a Docker for me. Are you agree? Docker and Nginx softwares are available. I have installed it. That's why it's become platform. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I need an interaction. Please into the chat box. Please write it yes, no. Right? Cool. Same way, another way, if everything has been, means I take care of everything. I took the infrastructure, I install this. As a DevOps engineer, I'm maintaining the complete part. So it's a software service for you. Okay, cool. This is just a high level overview on that part. Now, I would like to spend 2 more minutes time in this, and I would like to understand that what is networking. Can you guys try to give the answer? What do you mean by networking? Go ahead.
IP address gateway.
Correct. Access IP addresses related thing is called networking. Okay. Storage,
Storage.
Where we store data.
Disk.
where we will store the data. That is called storage. Cool. Okay.
Data.
Data. Correct. Okay. Servers.
Host.
Host.
Where
Host.
actual physical machine.
Okay. Fine. Hardware, we can say, right? Or
Yeah.
physical machine. Chalo. Okay. Virtualization.
It's
Hyper-V, Citrix.
Hyper-V, Citrix. Very good answer. Okay. You have a
Hyper-V.
hardware. You have a hardware. You want already on the hardware, something is running. You want to run one more thing. Then you have to enable the virtualization. Guys, if in our laptop also we have to do that. Anyone knows if you have to enable the virtualization where it is, it will show that virtualization is available in my laptop or not. Tell me.
VT.
Where I have to go, how I can check the virtualization is enabled in my laptop or not. Answer, you are 30 or 40 people.
We have to go to
Is
the
there-
BIOS.
It's
It's showing.
below logical processors. It is enabled.
It is showing here, right? Virtualization is enabled. Guys, your laptop virtualization should also be enabled. Okay. When you want to install means virtual machine inside this your laptop, your virtualization should be enabled. Okay. So take a time, try to enable your virtualization. Okay. You have to go to the BIOS setting, you have to restart, go to your laptop, whatever is your laptop, go to YouTube, see the video, how to enable the virtualization. It will give the step. Follow that. You have to restart your machine. The setting will be changed into the BIOS and it will be enabled. Okay. So this is called virtualization. If you want to use Hyper-V or any other software for putting any other operating system, then virtualization will be required. What is operating system?
Operate the hardware.
Operate the hardware. Correct. Okay. Operate the hardware means these are the applications, right? These are consuming my CPU memory. How they are consuming the CPU memory? With the help of operating system, this hardware is utilization. Means the hardware is getting utilized. My CPU is getting utilized by this application with the help of middleware. Middleware person is operating system. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone? Cool.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the question came middleware and runtime. Are you able to give this answer? Take the Java. Okay. Take the Java application. What will be the middleware or runtime? Give me the answer. Guys, your base will be very strong if you are able to
Yeah,
understand this.
Apache.
Wrong answer.
Oh,
Java. Guys, Java based application.
okay. JVM we need to
JVM.
install.
Don't go into the JVM. Let us assume, guys, very simple way.
WebLogic.
Wait, guys, wrong answer is always rejected. Okay. Don't think that if you will give the wrong answer, it will be helpful. No, there may be chances you will get rejected directly. Okay. Chalo. Now I will say that let's assume you have a Java code and you have a machine. You want to run this Java code. It will work directly? No.
JDK.
Is your machine will able to understand this Java code? No. Are you agree? It will not able to understand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will
Yeah.
not able to understand. How this machine will understand this Java code? With the help of some JRE or JDK will be
Java.
available. JDK or JRE, Java Development Kit or Java Runtime Kit will be available. Then only your Java code will be understood by the operating system or hardware, right? Then runtime or middleware things will be required. I have a HTML code. In my previous example, I have a HTML code. If I will directly try to run the HTML code, it will work. He will understand. He will say, what is this? Right? Yes or no? My machine will say, what is this? I don't know.
Yes.
Correct. So
Correct.
we have run the NGINX as a runtime or middleware. He will understand my HTML code and then the application will be created or running. Getting my point? Then data and application is my HTML or CSS code. Right? This blue color is my HTML Java, which has been developed by the HTML or CSS. That is this blue color. This blue color is my Docker and Nginx. Docker will be the middleware and Nginx will be the runtime. Clear everything?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, all
Yeah.
these points.
Yeah.
Right. Good. Good. Very good. Okay. If you understood this point, very good. Okay. Just watch this recording. If you feel any problem, you will able to understand it. Now, come to the technology. Okay. This is what we have learned 5 years back thing. Okay. Maybe you are aware about it. Now we will learn the thing which is really, really, really very important, a very different thing. I'm coming into the serverless technology. Okay. Which is the future. Can you tell me what is serverless? Go ahead. Go ahead. What is serverless? I want to listen from you. Means how much you are capable for 30 lakh package. Chalo, now.
It doesn't keep the previous records, like uh, it serves as it comes.
Okay. No,
No, serverless technology, majorly, we don't bother about how, like setting up the server. We just need to plug in and start running our application.
Okay. Okay. Chalo. Anyone else? Anyone
Okay,
else?
require
So, sir,
requirement.
it's a serverless technology.
Answer. What is serverless? Yes.
No need required server for running the application. For example, Elastic Beanstalk is a serverless service in the AWS.
You are telling no need to maintain anything. What you are trying to say? Chalo, I will give the answer. Simple answer, guys. Serverless is like a very simple like hotel. Whenever you required, you can go and say, I need a room. Correct? I need your services. Agree? Yes or no?
Correct.
Right? You don't have to worry about the rooms. Let's assume 10 people will go. It will allow you to stay. You will go 100 people. They are ready for you to provide the services to you. Are you agree? That is called serverless. You don't have to worry that I need the big machine, I need big servers, big storage. You don't have to worry for that. You can say, this is my application, run it. He will take care of the infrastructure. If more traffic will come, automatically the server side will be get increased. Let us assume you book a hotel. Okay. As soon as 10 guests will come, he will give the 5 rooms, right? As soon as 5 more will come, so he will give 2, 3 more rooms. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If you will say my 5
Yeah.
more guests are coming, so he will open 5 more rooms. Right? Same way. Serverless is also very like that. If your application is increasing, getting the size bigger, they will automatically the size or automatically the resources will get increased. You don't have to worry, you don't have to manage, but at the end you have to pay the bills. Agree? Yes or no? Auto scaling and all this thing will be covered inside it. You don't have to worry for all the infra, underlying infra. You don't have to worry. You just come up with your guest, you just come up with your application, and your application will be grow as per your hardware will be grow automatically. That is called serverless technology. Now, guys, give me the example. Go ahead. Bench check. Yes. What else?
SQL,
Which one?
SQL,
STN. What is that? Can you write?
SQL.
Which
Art-
type of wrong answer? Chalo, leave it. Anyone else?
AWS Lambda.
AWS Lambda. Very good answer. Guys, yes, AWS Lambda is the real-time example used by company most of the time for the serverless activity. What exactly the AWS Lambda? I will just take 30 seconds of time. Okay, you don't have to worry. AWS Lambda is a service of AWS. Whenever the requirement will come, it will trigger, it will work, and the work is done, then it will be down. You don't have to pay it. And as soon as it will get started, it will work, you have to pay it. That's it. Got my point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is
Yes.
called AWS Lambda. I will give a simple example, one more real-time example. If you have a pipeline case in your home, as soon as you will use it, your meter will run, and as soon as you will switch off, your meter will be stopped. Whatever the meter will be there, you have to pay the bills. Agree? Got my point? Same way, the serverless concept will work. Okay, whatever you will use, they will provide it to you. Clear, everyone? Now, multiple varieties of applications are available into the market. Okay, like monolithic, microservice, and serverless. Okay, We will do the monolithic application development also in the project 3. Okay, my project 3, which is available here, it will be visible. Okay, the project 3, okay, which is monolithic application, 3-tier application, we will develop with 40 AWS services name. From today onwards, you have a 40 days time, one service read one day, at least, just that's it. Okay, one line definition read for one service, that's it. So that you will able to reach to 40 services. I'm going to develop in front of you. You don't have to worry. Okay. Second, microservice, project 2, which we are going to develop in front of you. That is project 2. It is here. E-commerce website, Java, Python, Go, .NET. If you don't have any programming knowledge, you don't have to worry. Let's start with the Python. Okay. I'm telling you on a very first day, if you don't have any programming knowledge, no need to worry. But let's start exploring little bit on the Python. I will teach you. You don't have to worry. Okay. But let's start exploring on the Python. Agree? Yes, no? So that we will able to do the microservice-based application also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone, right? Cool. And serverless, yes, we will do the practical on the AWS Lambda as well. Okay, so that serverless will be also covered. So all the varieties of application which are available into the market, which are using into the real time, we are going to cover everything. Clear? Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
First,
Yes.
everyone. Thank you. Nice. So now, after this, guys, if you learn SAS, PS, SS, your package will be up to 5, 7, 10 lakh. Okay. You want to go for 20 lakh, 30 lakh, or 40 lakh package, right? So you have to be aware about CAS, FAS also. What is CAS? Speak up, speak up.
Container as a service.
Container as application.
Container as a service.
Container as a service. Yes, means Kubernetes also you have to be aware about it. Okay, whatever the previous example, the application creation is a container. Means we have created the container, but we have created one container only. So we manage with the help of Docker itself. If we have hundreds of containers, we have to manage with the help of Kubernetes. Got the answer? Yes or no? Everyone clear?
Yes.
If you have one container, we can able to manage with the help of Docker command. If you have 100 container, we will not able to manage manually. So we require a Kubernetes. Clear?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Function as a
Yes.
service, FAS, function as a service. Okay. Where one of the application we will take care as a function as well. There is a function, ready-made code is available, ready-made application is available. You just have to put your code and the application will run. That is called function as a service. Option is also available. So we will explore these options as well because I want you to take to the 30-40 lakh packages. Make sense? Clear, everyone?
Sir, can you go to last IAS comparison?
IAS,
Another slide is there. No?
this one.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Here operating system also IAS, right? There,
They will provide it because Google Cloud has provided that. Google Cloud is managing that.
correct. But in the latest slide, it is
That's it. That no need to worry. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah. Okay. No
okay.
need to
Just
worry.
yeah, I was just
Agree. Okay. Agree. Means see, it can be choiceable also, right? Somewhere you can choice it. Okay. So that's why means if you will see that type of thing, you will feel that some blocks will written like that or someone will like that. So I've taken care of both. Okay, both answer can be correct. Okay, acceptable. Good. Whatever the theory we have discussed about software as a service is written here. Read it. Platform as a service. Read it. Infrastructure service. Read it. Advantage, disadvantage, characteristics. Please read it so that your topic will be get completed. Okay. Now the market share. If you will see on the AWS, market share is very high as compared to others. Job openings are also very high as compared to others. Okay. After that, on the second number, Azure is coming. But the good thing or the very good thing, the data is a little bit old. But if you will see that Google Cloud experiments are happening very, very high. Means a lot of people are doing the experiment and adoption rate of the Google Cloud is very high. So there may be chances Google Cloud will be on the second number in the next 1 or 2 years. But currently Azure is on the second number because .NET based applications are available into the market. Okay, we are moving out from the .NET based application to the Python based, Java based, or AI ML based application. So the Azure stake is going down and the Google Cloud stake is getting increased. Okay, and this all are the around 8 to 10% only. We don't have to much worry about other cloud, but yeah, their stake is also available. Make sense? So first is AWS. Second, if you want to grow, Google Cloud. Okay, Azure is also best. No need to worry for that. Now, whatever the services are available in AWS, similar services are available in Azure. Similar services are into the Google Cloud. So let's take an example, virtual machine. We created the virtual machine yesterday into the Google Cloud. What is the Google Cloud rule? Provide the hardware to me, right? Provide the infrastructure to me. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, no. Rest is my Docker installation, Linux knowledge. I am using it, right? So if hardware will be provided by anybody, Linux is same for everyone, right? Ubuntu knowledge will be same from everyone. So like that, what I want to say that if these services are available in AWS, similar services are available in Azure, similar services are available into the Google Cloud as well. Make sense? So if we aware about this part, we can able to work into the another cloud as well. Simple way. If you know how to use a laptop, you can use any brand laptop. Are you agree? If you know how to use Windows, it doesn't matter that which brand it is. I'm using Lenovo, someone is using HP, someone is using some other brand, right? But if you know how to use the Windows, you can use any of the brand as well. Makes sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
right? So I would like to say that if you know driving, you can drive any other car. If you know AWS, you know GCP, you can work in any other cloud as well. This is what I would like to say to you. Make sense? Agree? Just type agree into the chat box. If not agree, unmute and talk with me. Agree, everyone? 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 Right? So no need to worry that, sir, AWS, the people are asking AWS. Compare it, okay? How you will compare it? Compare with this. If you feel that because sir, these are 10 services, no need to worry. I'm giving 100 services names also, which we can't read it. But yeah, you can take the PPT and you can read it. Agree? Cool?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So this is your homework. Compare it. Okay, don't directly go into this bigger site from day one. Okay, no. Just compare, just see remember the names. Okay, so that you will familiar in the next 2 months or 3 months. Right? You can't remember everything in one day. No fake expectation. Okay. Yes, take a 1 month of time and understand the names. I will take care of the practical every day. Cool. When you will give a 2 weeks of time, I will teach everything for the AWS. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Sure. Yeah, that is on the cloud computing from my side. Okay, so let's come here, and I would like to say that what all things were missing, we have taken care of that. Okay, I have taken care of the infrastructure platform as a service also. This all part I'm making as a green. Okay, and I talk you about the storage, database, networking. I have talked about this. Okay, now what do you mean by compute? Anyone here can give me the answer? What do you mean by compute? Simple answer I need.
CPU and RAM.
Correct. Very good answer. Okay. CPU and memory, which is a component of hardware. Okay. That is called compute. This all compute. CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, internet, this all are the compute of my resources. Okay. In the term of cloud, you can say the hardware, you can say the CPU memory, but in terms of cloud computing, this is called compute. Okay. Remember this point, very important. Okay. And we have taken care of this all keywords as well. Now I will take care of, I will make it everything as a green. And can I make it completely green? Guys, please let me know. Right?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
now we would like to discuss on a very high level about the DevOps, what exactly the DevOps is, what all tools we have to learn, what will be the roles and responsibility, how the DevOps work, problems, solutions, on all these things on the DevOps side. Okay, as a day 3 agenda. Good. So are you ready? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can
Yes.
we take a 2-minute break here? Okay. Otherwise, we will merge cloud computing and DevOps both. Okay. Take a 2-minute break, go for bio break or whatever it is, and come back and we are going to start this. So I'm giving a 2-minute break here. Okay. CLOCK. So that new topic, we will say that it's a new topic. It's a 2-minute break time. Please go and come back quickly. Fine. As we are going to start the day 3 now. Please, everyone.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Does anyone has any question? Please unmute and talk with me. Wait. Questions? Anyone? No? Are you all back? Confirm me, please. Just type back into the chat box.
Yes, sir, back, sir.
Okay. Everyone? 5, 6,
Yes.
7, 8. Okay, cool, good. Okay, I think 10 people or more than 10 people are back, and the time is also up. Cool. Now, this is the day 3, guys, which we are starting, and I would like to say it's a futuristic automation of the software development lifecycle. From the keyword itself, it's very clear that it's a futuristic automation, means whatever the automations which are going to be used into the future can be achieved with the help of DevOps. Okay, that is the agenda for today. Okay. Now, if any one of you are not in our WhatsApp community or anywhere, please join it so that you will get the details. Let me give you the WhatsApp community detail also here, so that at least if by any reason you are looking for the recording or all these things, so you will able to connect or you will get the detail. This is our Batch-36 community. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm inviting you all so that you will get the notification that class has been started, like that information in this place. Okay. Please, everyone, join this, or whoever is the registered member, you don't have to worry. You are into the official WhatsApp group only. Okay. You are already into the group where we can discuss, we can do the chattings and all this thing. Okay. Yesterday, Muhammad Akhtur, thank you. You have told that all these 2 PPT rings are same, right? Thank you. Okay. Yes, it happened, guys. But see, the thing is, if you will open the batch 2 PP2, day 2 PPT, okay, this is also working, okay, and video, okay, video and PPT. But if I'm coming here, both the links are kind of same only, okay. So you don't have to worry, but it is working, okay. You don't have to worry, okay, good. But I provided the new link. Good, thank you. So guys, if any of the question is there, you are feel free to ask into this WhatsApp group as well. Plus, you all are into this community as well. I given the link. If you are not into this community, please join it so that you will get the further details as well. Now, let's start with the very basic first. What is DevOps? Go ahead quickly. Go ahead quickly first. What is DevOps? Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Answer then. What is DevOps?
Collaboration between developer and operation team.
Very good answer. The collaboration between development and operation. This keyword has been created. Some part from the development part, some part from the operation part, and the DevOps keyword has been created. And DevOps work will also be very similar like this. Sometime development work, sometime operation work, sometime development more, sometime operation more, and that is the primary work of the DevOps engineer. Okay, be very clear. If you will try to learn the DevOps by own, definitely you will be into this situation, because this infinity loop has this many different tools. Okay. And I'm not sure, or no one can be say that which tool you have to learn and how much. It will be very difficult. Okay. So to make it simplify, we have created this for you. Okay. This for you means this type of small or simplified version of this image in this form. Okay. If you have a dev knowledge, means we can say that yes, you are already aware about this part. If you are from the operation background, you are a little bit aware about this part. If not, I will take care of everything, and I will create a DevOps engineer too. Okay, means I can say the development of very coding related activities will be taken care with the help of language. It can be Java, Python, Go, .NET, anything. Okay, all the code has to be managed with the help of Git and GitHub. So we have to be aware about this thing. And I'm going to teach you Python and Git and GitHub both. When the build related thing will come, yes, when it's a Java based code, Maven will be come into the picture, and I will take care everything into the environment of Linux. Okay. After that, whenever the testing will come, yes, some testing related tools will be there. Automation tool will also be required. Okay. So we will understand with the help of Selenium as well. Okay. Whenever the release related thing will happen, means whatever we have developed, tested, it should go into the another environment. So CI/CD will come into the picture and releases will happen. So that I have simplified everything, and with the help of Jenkins, we can able to do the release. So this will come into the dev part, and rest of the thing, deploy, operate, manage, or monitor related activity will come into the operation part. So I'm going to take care on the AWS cloud with the help of Docker, with the help of Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes, and then the monitoring system with the help of Prometheus and Grafana. So next 55 days, we have to explore all this. Agree? As per our plan. Clear? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone, right? You have to
Yes.
be very clear what we are going to explore, or what we are going to do the practicals in the next 55 days. This is the simple summary. Okay, cool. As we have already discussed what exactly the DevOps is, when the developers, testers, IT operation team work together to develop any of the software, to keep their process into the sync, means what developer is doing, what QA people is doing, what operation people are doing, they should be into the sync. Their communication will happen, or their work should happen smoothly. That is the work of DevOps engineer. Means you have to be little bit aware about the development activity. You have to be little bit aware about QA activities. You have to be little bit aware about operation activity, and you have to play with the tools, and you will be a DevOps engineer. Make sense? You should not write the code. You should not do the testing. You should not sit into the night for monitoring purpose, but you have to be aware about it, how this all things works. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Now, this is a software development life cycle where different phases to develop any of the software. Analysis, designing, implementation, testing, release, or maintenance. This all different activities happen. Whatever their requirement, how this cycle should run faster, that can be achieved with the help of DevOps, because we have a tool for all the different phases or different software development life cycle. We have a tool we will provide to the particular team, particular tool for automation, for faster work. That's why this cycle will run faster. That is with the help of DevOps. Clear? Confirm me, please.
Yes.
Right? Cool. Okay. DevOps engineer can be involved into the development, QA, IT, or operation activities, or I can say that complete software development lifecycle DevOps engineer can be involved, because we have a top 10 tools which we have to use for our software delivery faster. Okay. Cool. Okay. So if you are involving into all this, if you're currently into any of this, you can become a DevOps engineer very easily. Okay. Why you have to become a DevOps engineer? Because you are 100%, you are aware that your growth will be higher. Your growth will be good. That's why you have to become a DevOps engineer. So I can say that anyone can become a DevOps engineer. Make sense? Clear, everyone? Very clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we have already discussed developer write the code, operation people deploy the code into the environment. If it's break, operation people will not able to take the responsibility, and the responsibility will go to the dev team. Dev team say that we are not working into the weekend, we are not able to fix that. Okay, like that, so many wall of confusion happen. That's why to remove this problem, the DevOps team came into the picture, and he will take care of this type of deployments activities. Okay, with the help of automation, with the help of tools. So this is, I can say, one of the primary roles and responsibility of the DevOps engineer. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yeah, because I have one
Yes, sir.
question.
Right.
Yeah. How SDET different from this DevOps?
SD, what you are talking about SD? Can you tell me?
SDET, Software Development Engineer.
See, I can say if you did the engineering, you can able to work into different fields, correct? Yes or no? Some company will create a different profile. Are you agree? Software
Yes.
engineer, analyst, this can be a same, right? Because in the Wipro, everyone is an analyst, right? Platform engineer, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So you don't have to worry small thing, but see, we are covering the wider part. Okay, if you will become a DevOps engineer, yes, you can go into the analyst role also. You can go into the SD also. SRE also will be, gates will be open for you. Okay, so but there may be chances some specific part of work will be happening to the particular profile. You can have a JD and you can share the JD with me. We will compare it. Fine.
Because regarding that cloud engineer roles, right?
Hmm.
So like with this, how like that job role will be aligned? Cloud engineer role.
See,
Like
whatever we have discussed in this part, yesterday means day 2 part, that will be a cloud engineer part. Now I am coming into the DevOps part, right? Got my point? Where exactly the syllabus is. Yeah, if you will see here, whatever the cloud engineer related thing we have discussed into this part, correct? You will deal with the cloud, you will deal with the AWS primarily. That will be a cloud engineer role. If you are dealing with the tools, you will be a DevOps engineer.
Okay. We have anyway more on these two again, right? Down the line. Other
It's
days.
a day,
Yeah.
Nagaraja, it's a day 2 only. Still, two
That's
and a
what
half
I'm
months
saying.
is pending. It's a two and a half months is still pending.
No, that's what I'm saying. Day 2 is again having a lot of things down the line. I'm saying.
It's just a cloud introduction. The cloud will come from the AWS here.
Correct. Yeah, I got your point. So both will be covered. So whichever role the role, we can go from there.
Obviously, yes. Obviously, yes. Okay, but I will defend your point. I will take, guys, sorry, I will take 30 seconds of time. If you will go only for the DevOps, if you will go only for the cloud engineer, you will get 5-10 lakh package, 15 lakh package. Agree?
Okay.
20 lakh package. But if you will go with the cloud and DevOps both, you will go for 40 or 60 lakh package. Guys, are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Because see, you will only see the cloud and you are paying every bill to the cloud team. And that is not good. We have to use the open source tools also to become a cloud and DevOps engineer. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Others,
Yes.
right? So guys, don't feel that you will only become a cloud engineer. No, not useful. Become both. Okay. And we will earn for the higher, we will target for the bigger package. Simple. Our intention is very clear. Okay. Good. And guys, Nagaraj, I will tell you, this is the day 2. Course is not yet completed. Okay. So no need to worry for that. Okay. Good. Thank you. Now I'm coming here. Yeah, we are here. Okay. And after that, I was telling that there will be wall of confusion happen. That's why the DevOps team has came into the picture. Okay. Now, as you know, developer has their own work. What is their work? Planning, coding, building, and testing. Are you agree? These are the primary role of the developer. He is not only writing the code, he will deliver the new features. He will be a product oriented. He will be a very innovative person. We will call as a developer. Are you agree? Yes or no? Anyone here in the anyone here developer out of this 40 good people? Anyone is a developer?
Sir, I have worked before
Yes.
as a developer.
Yes,
Good.
I am developer.
Nagraj or who is other person is a developer? Naveen, Gautam. Guys, can you take a 30 second of time and tell me what all activity apart from writing the code you are doing? Please speak up.
Yeah, I do. Build also we do.
Correct.
Right?
Build. Yes, build is a part of development activity. Yes.
And
Guys,
also unit testing.
unit testing. Yes, unit testing is also part of development activity. Yes. What else?
And also we need to debug the customer issues.
Correct. Whatever the bug came into the picture, whatever has been reported by the testers, that has to be so fixed by the developer. Agree?
Yeah, and also giving the estimation for the sprint planning.
Correct. We will give that how much time we will take to deliver the new feature. Correct. What else? Guys, everyone, please, everyone. See, I want to make a DevOps engineer. If you don't know the development activities, it will be very difficult. Because if someone will ask you, what is your roles and responsibility? You have to give this answer. Right? Yes or no? Agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Cool. Go ahead. Speak up. Development activities fast for the next 30 seconds.
Requirement analysis.
Correct. You have to
Also,
understand the requirement
deployment.
that is coming to the planning part. Good. Yes.
Yeah, feature request analysis from the
Correct.
customers.
You will understand the product, you will understand the new features and you will develop it. Yes. And then you will write the code for that. Agree?
Correct.
Good. Thank you. Now, I want to talk with the operation people here. Okay. Guys, please raise your hand, unmute and talk with me. You will be a part of the release, means from one environment to another application is going. You will be part of the deployments. You will part of the operations activities. You will be a part of the monitoring activities as well. Correct? You are very operational person, means you will say that if the application came to my environment or my infra, I will give the guarantee that this much will work. Okay. I am very service oriented. If anything happened to this application, we are the sole responsible. We will fix it. We will work into the rotational 24/7 night shift and over the weekends also. And but application will work. Are you agree? Yes, no.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes,
Operation
completely.
people, give me your answers. Add your points. Add your points. Documentation. Correct. What else? Answer.
Provide VM, create VM.
हाँ चलो मैं जाता हूँ
Okay. What else?
We'll apply the patches. We will
Patches.
make sure the security is in
Patches,
intact.
security related things means operation related activities you will do. Okay. What else? Guys, give the answer. You are 40 people here, not able to speak 4 points. Yes.
Vulnerability, auditing.
One same thing only repeated answer. Yes. Any new answer?
We'll do the monitoring.
Monitoring we will do. Yes, I told. Chalo. Guys, this are whatever we have earlier 1 minute back we have discussed that other development activities. Developer will not work into. You are late. Developer will not work into the operation. Operation people will not able to work into the another environment. Are you agree? Yes or no? They have their own responsibility, roles and responsibilities are there, and they have to work into their limits only. Agree? Right? So if other people is not able to work for the another team, so there is a big problem. So DevOps team came into the picture. He will work for everything. Okay, with the help of tool and softwares. Cool? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, we will not write the code. We will not sit in the night. Okay, but we will be middle person who will help everything. Now, I hope everyone is very clear about the definitions. If not, please read it. Whatever we have discussed in the last 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, these are the definitions of DevOps you have to be aware about, because in the interview you have to give the definitions, good definition answer. Okay, DevOps is a solution for development and operation related issues and problems. DevOps help into the communication, collaboration, and integration. Please, okay. DevOps, with the help of DevOps, the software development life cycle, the infinity loop will run faster. That is a DevOps aim. Okay. DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the IT development and IT operation related issues. Let's assume developer face any of the problem, operation people face any of the problem, developer do lot of manual work, operation people do all manual work, then we DevOps engineer will fix that, or we will provide some tool as a solution to them. Agree? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Can you give one example, maybe?
I will give hundreds of examples. You don't have to worry. Now example came. Okay. The problems. Okay. The problem is like managing and tracking of the code. Chalo. Before going into that part, can you guess? Guys, this is kind of very simple Excel sheet. Are you agree? Yes or no? This is Excel sheet, right?
Yes.
Do you feel that if I did any changes, I can able to revert it or not? What do you feel? Possible, not possible?
Possible.
Possible. Let assume by mistaken I deleted complete this part. Okay, can I revert it back or not? Or it is important or not? We have to revert it back. Option should be available.
Yes.
Let assume this is a normal sheet. Okay, and whatever has been written it here. Okay, numbers. Okay, if I delete it and I saved it, I can revert it back. No, right? The data will be lost. Are you agree?
Yeah.
Right? And then this is the problem. Have you observed that if developer has thousands of line of code, if someone has did any changes, tracking will be very difficult. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Correct.
So,
Yes, sir.
so if let assume this is just a normal English thing, I'm maintaining into the versions. Okay. If you will see here, versions, what all changes are happening from the last 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Okay, everything has to be available into this tracking part into the form of versions. Okay, so just if we are able to maintain only the Excel sheet into the versions, do you feel that code has to be available into the versions? Answer can be yes or no.
Yes.
Right? Good. So let me create a scenario here. Okay, because in every class we have to discuss or we have to solve the problem with the help of scenarios. So I'm taking a scenario. Okay, I'm opening a paint here. Okay, and I'm taking a very simple requirement. Okay, this is the clock, right? This is a clock, and this clock has to be get developed with the help of you guys. Okay, so now I'm coming into the planning phase. Very first analysis phase. Okay, how you will see this clock and how you will give me a clock. Can you please tell me now how you can develop this clock? Go ahead. Go ahead. How you will develop this clock, please.
Can create simple web app.
Nagraj, write and give it into the chat box. Chalo. Go ahead. Others. I need an answer, guys. I need a proper answer. Assume that you are a developer. You all are a developer at this point for the next 20 minutes. Okay. Think it, how you will develop this clock. Go ahead. Is my question tough? Guys, tell me, is the question tough? I will make it very simple.
No, in Python, we can use the function
Okay.
to develop the code.
Okay. Correct. Yeah, kind of correct. Okay. Means you are telling you will choose the language Python and we will develop this clock. Correct? Chalo, I accept your point. Okay. We will use the Python and we will able to develop the clock. Chalo, agree. Okay. Now, what else? After writing the code, how you will, let's assume you decided that you will choose the Python language and you are doing it. Then you have a 3 members in the team. Yes or no? Assume that you have a 3 Python developers in your team. Okay. Python 3 developers. Okay. Now, guys, what will happen? Guys, give the answer. Think it. Give the answer.
Yeah, everybody will start developing the features.
Everybody will start developing into the pieces. Very good answer. Means what you will do, you will divide this requirement into multiple. If 3 developers are there, 3 part. Means you, with the help of Jira, okay, you will create a 3 tickets. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes, your lead will create a 3 tickets
Yes.
for 3 developers. Okay. And in this 3 developer, let us assume now I need a 3 developers. Tell me 3 different persons. Please tell me your name. 3 different persons. Tell me your name, please. Arey, your name, please. Fast.
Ravi,
Venkat. V-E-N-K-T. Venkat, how much is your experience? How much is your experience? Fast.
8 years.
8 years. Chalo, good. Okay. What about others? I need one more. Please. 2 more.
Ravi,
Ravi, how much is your experience?
11 years.
11 years. My God. And I need one fresher. Tell me, anyone? Anyone? Any fresher? 2 years, 1 year, 2 years, 6 months.
Shub.
Shub. S-U-B. Shub. How much experience? 2
2
years.
years.
Okay, chalo, cool. Okay. Now, guys, we have a 3 developers. Okay, and 3 has a different experience, have different salaries. Okay, but they get a 3 requirement that Ravi Venkat will work into the hour module. Okay, HH. Okay, Ravi will work into the minute module, and Shubh will work into the AMPM feature. Correct? Yes or no? 3 different features has to be developed. We will combine and the clock will be ready. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? This is how if any big software or big application will be divided into small requirement. Multiple developers will work according to their experience. They will develop the feature and the application will be merged and it will be get created. Clear, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Now the game came. Okay. Now the game came. Venkat has a 8 years of experience. Venkat, how much time will be required or how many days will be required to develop this hour module for you? Give me the answer, Venkat. Venkat is selling 4 hours. Okay, chalo. I will give 1 day time at least, yeah. Okay. Ravi, 11 years experience. How much time will be required for you?
Same 1 year.
1
Sorry,
year.
1 day. One day.
Then what is the difference between you and Venkat? You have to take 6
1
hours
day,
only.
I think,
No.
right. So
You have a higher experience. You are a lead, so you will get a lesser time. Okay.
Lesser time, right.
Shubh, what about you?
3 days.
3 to 5 days, right? 3 to 5 days. Acceptable because he is a fresher. Okay. Guys, are you agree? Yes or no? But now the
Yes.
thing is, now the important thing is, until and unless Shubh will complete the work, the application will not be ready. Agree? Means Shubh work is also important here. Agree?
Right.
Yes or no?
Right.
So
Right.
Venkat has written, what we can say, let us assume, Ravi has written the code, okay, completed, okay, code complete. After that, Venkat code also completed. Okay, in one day. They will wait for Shubh. Obviously, they have to wait, right? Yes or no? They have to wait. They have to wait for 3 to 5 days or maybe
Yes.
6 days also for Shubh.
Yes.
And as soon as Shubh completed and Venkat went for the leave, then what will happen? We have to wait again for 1 or 2 days for Venkat to combine the code. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the plan was 6
Yeah.
days and it will may go to the 10 days. Possible, right? It happens, right?
Yes.
Ravi code has been missed. Ravi has written the wrong code. Okay. Or maybe any problem happened and it reached to 10 days. This is a problem for the environment. Means you are not estimating properly. But if you have Venkat, in the one day it has to be completed. But why the 10 days has been required? Right? We are not utilizing Venkat and Ravi properly. Are you agree? Senior members are in the
Yes.
team. We are not managing properly. So what the solution is? Venkat, as soon as your code is ready, okay, push it into the GitHub. Okay, push it into the centralized location. GitHub, don't keep the code into your laptop. Okay, push the code into the GitHub. Ravi, your code is ready. Push the code into the GitHub and do the another work. Pick the new ticket and work for another requirement. No need to sit idle because of the shoe. Good approach.
Yeah, right.
Then only we will utilize the
Yeah.
power of Venkat and utilize the power of Ravi as a senior member. They should not get affected with because of the Shubh. And I'm 100% sure Venkat and Ravi will not help Shubh so that everything will be completed in one day. They will help for 1 day, 2 days, but not for the lifetime. Agree?
Right.
Right? So the ideal
Yes, yes.
scenario or ideal say that Venkat, your code is complete. Ravi, your code is completed. Push the code into the centralized location that is GitHub. Okay. With the help of tool Git. Okay. Whatever is the code, push the code into the GitHub and go and do the new work. Whenever the Shubh code will be get completed, okay, we will pull you for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We will merge everything and we will create a build. And the application will be ready. Correct. This is how development people works. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So what I want to say here, code management. Okay. Code management will be achieved with the help of Git and GitHub. Do you feel that we can manage the code anywhere else into the Excel, Notepad, or any other places? No, that's not a good approach. Are you agree? But 10 years back, people are maintaining the code into this type of GitHub and all these things, right? Into the Notepad and all these things. If you are still maintaining your code into the Notepad and all these things, that's not a good approach. You have to maintain your code into the Git and GitHub so that tracking will be very easy. Which person has written what code at what time. If any mistake into the Venkatesh code, we will catch the Venkat. If any problem into the Ravi code, we will catch the Ravi. If any problem in the Shubh code, we will catch the Shubh. So transparency will be maintained. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, everyone agree? And this is how development work. Anyone here want to say anything else into the development environment?
Sir,
Hmm.
yeah, Git and SVN both are same thing.
Both are same. Correct.
Okay.
Yes, anyone want to add any other point into the development part? This is how the flow of development work, right? They will write the code, now build will get created, and then it will move into the another environment. Testing will happen and it will move into the another environment. Agree? Yes, you are able to understand what the developers do. Yes, no. Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Chalo. This is one of the problem. The management of the code can be maintained or can be fixed with the help of Git and GitHub tool. Okay. Now, let's assume if this is a small project. Okay. If it's a big project, 1 build, 2 build, 3 build, 4 build, hundreds of build has been developed. Okay. Do you think that management of this build is also a problem? Because this project is running from 1 year or 2 years. Then this many builds has been created. Management of the build is also a problem, right? Have you feel?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Their work is not working properly, so they will build again and again, and they develop the 20 build, 30 build. Management of this build is also a problem. Okay, or manual creation of the build. Let us assume Shubh, Ravi, Venkat, they all will combine and then the build will get created. This is also a problem. Let us assume Venkat went for a 1 week leave. Then the build will not get created. No, it should not be like that. Build should get created. This type of process can be automated. Means build creation. How it can be automated? With the help of tool? Jenkins and Maven. Combine Jenkins and Maven. We will use the Maven inside the Jenkins. Correct? Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Good. Chalo, let's see some more problems and all the solutions. Manual testing. Chalo. Now, how many test engineers are here? How many test engineers are here in this group? Out of 40 people? How many test engineers are here? Guys, please speak. If you are not a developer, not a tester, not an operation engineer, what you are?
It's me, Vasu.
Vasu. Chalo. Vasu, I would like to talk with you. Okay. This is my website, CloudDevOpsHub.com, and you have to do the testing of this website. How you will do? Go ahead and do the manual testing.
So first, I need to understand the requirement from the business.
Requirement is you have to do the testing. That is a requirement.
Yeah, I mean, first I need to come up with a high-level scenarios, test scenarios, and then come up with the test cases. So, type of testing to be covered, like functional, non-functional.
Okay.
So based on then once similar to the development team, even I have to create a task in the Jira and also after that, like I have to involve in all the agile ceremonies to understand the progress in the project.
Okay,
and once
let's make it faster. You created the test cases. The test cases like click on the course, it should work. Okay, click on the blog, it should work. Click on the success story, it should work. Click on this link, it should work. Click on this here, it should go inside it, like that, right? These are the test cases, correct?
Yes.
If I will tell you, you have to do 3-time testing in a day. You will able to do it? You have to execute all the test cases.
No.
No, why?
No, I didn't get the question actually.
The question, guys, everyone, it's not only with Vasu, everyone. Okay. If I will tell to you guys to do this type of testing, all the links and everything is working properly or not, 3 times in a day, you will able to do it?
3 times, yes. Yeah,
you will do, right?
Yes, I can do.
Correct. Okay. Others can able to do it 3 times in a day? Yes or no? But if I will tell you the same activity, you have to do 30 times in a day. You will do?
No.
Then you will get fired. Because this is a job. Right? Yes or no? You have to do.
Yes.
That is the work, right?
Yes.
Now you have to do it. If you are a normal person or normal, you will click on like that and you will do it. Okay. And if you are an automation engineer, okay, you will bring some automation tool. Which tool can do this activity for us?
Selenium.
Yes. We have a tool. Selenium. Who will do this activity? We will teach him one time what you have to do it, and he will do 330 times or 300 times in a day also. Correct?
Yes.
So why you are telling the answer no?
No. As a manual tester, definitely I should say no. But as an automation engineer, definitely.
No. See, think it in a betterment of the client. Okay, client needed 30 times testing. Answer can be yes only, right? Because how you are doing doesn't matter. The answer will be like, yes, we can able to do it. Now it's your choice. You want to do manually or you want to do with the help of automation. So automation, Selenium configuration, Selenium code will be written by the Selenium engineers, but Selenium configuration scheduling will be done by the DevOps engineer. Got it? And not 30 times. Whoever is writing no into the chat box, you will not do. Then it's not good. Okay, you have to do because that's a requirement. Clear? And that can be achievable with the help of Selenium or Jenkins. Everyone clear? Got it?
Yes.
Everyone clear? Yes, no? Good, thank you. Now I will bring the another problem. Okay. Ensure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Another problem I am bringing up. Okay. Let's assume I'm creating one more scenario here. Okay. You created a build. Okay. This is a build. Okay. You created a build. BUILD build. Okay. Guys, understand it has a build means it's a Java code. correct? Java code. Can anyone tell me the extension? What will be the Java code extension? Build code extension, build extension, extension. This is one of the interview question.
.var file.
Yeah, chalo. Var, any other? Var,
Yeah.
jar, tar. Okay, all are correct answer. Okay, var, jar, tar, anything can be a build. Okay, now assume that this build is working into the dev environment. Okay, this build, this will go. I'm creating a, guys, be on mute. Okay, I'm creating a 3 environment. I'm creating a scenario for you. Okay, this build is working into the dev environment. This build went into the QA environment and little bit problem came. Okay, little bit problem came. Okay, and they took the help from the developer and developer get fixed and now it's become green. Okay, make sense? Yes or no? Because if QA environment, dev, QA, okay, or dev, prod. Okay, prod. 3 environments are there. Okay, developer has created a build in his environment, everything working properly. He given to the QA environment, some problem came, but QA people talk with the developer people and it got fixed. Make sense? Yes or no? Or yes, no?
Yeah.
Right? Same build, it went to the prod environment. Okay, and it is not working into the prod. It is not working into the prod. Now, do you think that prod will go to the QA? QA will say it has been fixed by the developer. Developer will say that I don't know what is difference in that because it's a 1 month duration and it will take 3 to 8 hours of time and it will get failed. Are you agree? And it's a problem. Have you understood the problem?
Yes.
Right? So, what can be the better solution for this type of situation? Tell me.
Pre-production. Pre-prod.
Pre-prod. Okay, we can create one more environment, pre-prod environment, and do this activity one more time. Okay. Chalo. What else?
Rollback at the moment.
You are giving the solution. Problem. Let problem happen. Then you are giving the solution. No, I want that problem should not happen. This is my requirement.
Containerization.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Containerization. Rutal. Chalo. Now explain me what you are trying to say. Yes.
It's basically like we enclose the builds along with the necessary dependencies into the
Good.
container.
Rutal. Very good answer. I would like to talk with you. Okay. To create a build or how it is working because it has a binary, library, JDK, JRE, right? Everything is available here. Okay. Environment level file, settings, configurations, everything is there. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Okay. This all configuration has been done into the QA environment. That's why it's work into the QA environment also. This configuration, setting and configuration is not yet done into the production environment. That's why it is not working, right? So the solution, guys, the solution which Rutal told. Rutal, can you speak up again? What is the solution? Pack everything.
We can put it in a container. Yeah.
Pack everything as a container. Okay. Pack everything as a container. Then move this container from one place to another and 100% it will work in all the environments. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone got it? So your problem has been solved. Manual configuration, manual setting, rollback, 3 hours configuration, 10 hours of configuration, pack everything and run it. Yesterday, I run it in front of you. Everything pack in a one line. Just run this line and it will work. Getting my point? Yes or no? This is called containerization technology. If this is the problem, which tool is solving this containerization problem? Which tool?
Docker.
Docker. Welcome to the Docker. Okay. Docker can do this activity for you. Clear? Getting my point, guys? Getting a high level overview? Everyone, guys, I need an answer from the chat box. I need an answer yes, no from the chat box, please. Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Problems are happening. Problem will always happen. Find out the solution is a work of DevOps engineer. Okay, so yes, the Docker tool is a DevOps tool. We will pack everything, means with the help of developer, we'll pack everything and it will run into multiple environment, 1 minute deployment and it will work in all the environments. So, guys, I'm creating one more scenario here. Okay, one more scenario here. Okay, chalo. Everyone, how many production engineer people are here? Production engineer people? I'm not asking direct question to you. I will ask the question directly with 40 people. Why you are worried? Tell me I am a production engineer, support engineer. Ravi, Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. You are a production engineer, right? Chalo. I will give one work to you. Do you know how to install Python in the Linux machine? Guys, chalo,
Yes.
help me out. In the Linux machine, it's a simple
Yes.
question. In the Linux machine, how to install Python? Tell me.
Yum install.
Yum, INSTL,
Install
Python. Correct.
package.
Done. Python. Correct. Done. Your answer is correct. Okay. If I will tell you, you have to install this into the 3 machines. You will SSH into all the machine and you will run this command. Correct?
Correct.
Guys, everyone agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Everyone understood the thing? If I will tell you, you have to install Python, he has a command, he will run in the machine and it will get executed and Python will be installed. If I will tell you, you have a 300 machines and you have to install Python in all the 300 machines, how you will do it?
We can install using Ansible.
Ansible.
You know the good answer. Okay, good. Okay, yes. Instead of doing the manual work, we can use the tool Ansible and he will perform that activity. Make sense? Chalo.
What
Sir,
is the name?
Python Ansible. It's an Ansible tool. Okay, chalo. Leave the Python. Let assume one user. Anyone who want to join the company very first. Tell me your name first.
Preeti.
Preeti, very good. Priti. Preeti want to join in a company. And Preeti, today is your joining. Okay, and who is that person? The support engineer. Who is that person? Ravi, right? Or Vishal? Vishal, right?
Yeah.
Vishal. Okay, Vishal. Preeti is joining your team and you have a 300 servers. You have to create the Preeti user in all the 300 server. How you will do it?
Obviously using Ansible.
Manual. First tell me manual.
Yes, manual. Primary
Manual,
is
right?
Yes.
Add user Preeti, Priti. Preeti is the command. You will run it and the Preeti user will be get created in 1 machine, 2 machine, and manually if you want to create, it will be a 1 day time and you will able to do it. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? And same way, if it's a 300 machine or 500 machine, you can do the activity with the help of Ansible tool and it will able to achieve it very faster. Okay.
Correct.
1 day. Okay. Preeti left the company. Delete Preeti. Okay.
Yes.
Then you will do again this activity.
Again
Yes.
manually.
Again manually, right? This is a very tough activity, right? People will leave the company, people will come to the company, and 100 of servers are there. You can't do manual activity in 100 servers, right? Are you agree?
Right.
User
Yes.
creation, Python installation, patching activity. Okay, take the backup of all the 100 server. It's a manual activity. It's very difficult. Okay, people are doing it, but everything can be automated. This type of operational activity can be automated with the help of tool Ansible. Guys, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone,
Yes.
clear, right?
Yes.
So what I want to say to you, this type of activities happen into the real time. If someone will ask you what type of activities you are doing, whatever we are discussing from the last 30 minutes, right? You have to say that we are doing this activity with the help of this tool. Okay. And we will do the practicals implementation of these tools as well. Okay. What I want to say to you, there are some problems. Okay. Every problem has a solution with the help of some. Getting it? Just no. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to go into this part today. Okay. We will go into the next class. Okay. Next class. Okay. Next class. I would like to come here. Okay. We have to do all these things, guys. We will set up all these things. You don't have to worry. But I would like to come here. We have a 10-minute time. I would like to give you lot of tools are available for every activity. Okay. For every activity, we have a tool. The very first phase of the software development lifecycle is a planning. Are you agree? Yes or no? Planning is the very first phase.
Yes, sir.
Right? In the planning, can you tell me on a very high level what happens? Go ahead.
Yeah, we will consider what are the work need to be done.
correct? You will do the complete planning, you will track it, you will visualize it, and you will summarize it, it is achieved or not, correct? Yes, no? Means ticketing will be get created, your board will be created, boards will be there, and how many people are working into what ticket, how much people are delivering that all tickets. That is a planning phase. And for achieving the planning, to track the planning, there are some tools available into the market. Which tool is using in your company? Tell me. For
Jira.
tracking.
Jira.
Jira. Okay.
Yeah, and Trello.
Trello. Okay. Jira, Trello. Yes, guys. Asana, Basecamp, Jira, Trello, Varak, or Azure DevOps. These are the 4-5 tools are available into the market. Out of that, Jira is the most popular. Around 70 to 80% people are using it. Right? So if someone will ask you in the planning, which tool you guys are using or which tool in your company is using, you can directly say the tool is Jira. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, good. Now, second phase, I'm coming coding. Coding language can be anything. Java, .NET, C, C#, anything. Okay. But to achieve or to write the code, there are so many tools are available into the market. Are you agree? Visual Studio, Code, WebStamp, Eclipse, and so many different tools are available. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Out of that, let us assume it's any language, Java, .NET, Python. But do you feel that we as a DevOps engineer, we will use all these tools?
No.
No.
Which tool has to be used by the DevOps engineer for any of the language? Because I don't know tomorrow in which company you will go, you will get a Java, .NET based application or which application. But I am ready to give you one tool which will work
VS
for
Code.
all the code. Which one?
VS Code.
Yes, Visual Studio Code is a tool. Okay, it is compatible with all the languages. Okay, so this is the single tool you can use for Java, Python, Go, .NET, any of the tool. So we have to focus on the Visual Studio Code. Okay, yes or no? We don't have to write the code. We just have to open the code. To open the code, we will use this tool. I will teach you the installation, everything. You don't have to worry. Okay, but this tool, we will use it. Clear? All good, everyone?
Yes.
Now the next is building. Let's assume it's a Java-based code. How you will build the code? How the code will be get built?
Using Maven and Jenkins.
Maven and Jenkins, I agree. Yes, with the help of Maven, but there are so many other tools also available like JUnit, WebUnit, Jasper, or like there's so many different tools are available. But Maven is the best tool, or what we can say most popular tool for creating the build in the Java based application. So I'm going to teach you the Maven also because my project is based on Java. So we will use the Maven tool to create a builds. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Now, testing. There are so many tools available for the testing also. Tell me the names, please. Tell me the names.
Selenium,
Selenium, correct. Yes, it is middle. Yes, what else?
JUnit,
JUnit, QUnit, Aptium, JMeter, manual testing people are there, right? They will do the manual testing, right? The
TestNG.
TestNG, correct. Guys, these are the manual testing tools testing tools are available. Out of that, our primary focus will be on the Selenium part. Okay, because this is the automation tool where most of the companies are using it. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? So our focus area will be a Selenium for the testing phase. If someone will ask you for the testing phase, which tool you are using, directly say Selenium. Acceptable answer. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Now for the releasing purpose, okay, from one environment to another environment, if you created a build, right, with the help of Maven, you created a build. How the build will go from one environment to another environment? There are so many tools available into the market like Tarvis, Bamboo, GitLab, Jenkins, Courtship. But which one is the popular?
Jenkins.
Which one is the popular?
Jenkins.
Jenkins.
Right?
Jenkins.
Right? So yes, we will learn the Jenkins, okay? And because this is the most popular tool available into the market and companies are using it. So our focus area will be a Jenkins, okay? For the releasing phase. Cool. Next, deploy, okay? It should run into the environment, Okay, it should run into the environment means environment can be containerized Kubernetes environment, environment can be AWS, environment can be GCP. But if you want to make the containerization, okay, we will make it only, there is the only option, there is no much option available. Only containerization can be achieved with the help of tool,
Docker.
right? Docker. Okay, and there are some, this all means we will combine the tools and we will able to make the deployment part. Okay. Now, operate means operational activities. Operational activities. Install Python into 100 servers. Do the patching activity every weekend. Chalo, if I will ask the question with you, how to do the patching activity? No, not tool. Okay, tool to you know at this point. Okay, you have to do the patching activity. Patching ACTI
Yeah.
activity every weekend. Okay, how you will do?
Yes.
Chalo, guys, wrong answers are rejected. If you will give the wrong answer, you will get rejected.
Yeah. Firstly, the server list will come from the management, like
Preeti,
for
very
prod
good.
and
Preeti,
pre-prod.
wait. You are a fresher experience.
Yeah.
Fresher or experience?
3.5 year experience.
Good. Guys, Preeti is sharing his 3.5 years of experience. Yes, Preeti, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
So the previous night we will receive like a list of servers which are coming into the prod and pre-prod environments.
Correct.
So depending on that, we will do the patching, like
How you will
for
do the
prod
patching?
servers.
How?
Yeah. So we will log into the servers. We will go to
Correct.
the check the uptime of the servers.
Okay.
So it is the manual, but
Go
there are
ahead.
some
I
tools
need a
also.
man. I'm happy with the manual, but answer is required. Okay, because you are giving the real time answer.
Yeah.
Guys, wait. Everyone agree? Preeti is giving the answer which he is doing into the company. Correct?
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
So I want to listen that also. That is also very important for everyone, because see, if you know the manual activity, I will teach you the automation. If you are a manual person, because see, if you will directly learn the automation, not helpful, right? I can directly say that some people are telling Ansible. Yes, Ansible will do, but how? You have to tell to the Ansible that do this activity, right? Yeah, Preeti, go ahead. I would like to listen your answer. Go ahead. You will run the uptime command, then
So we'll first tell about the manual patching.
Okay.
Like suppose there is one server, we have to patch it, then we'll log in it. We'll first check the uptime.
Correct.
So if it is more than 30 days or like that, then we have to patch that server. So
Correct.
we will go to the security patches. Like we'll try to install it and download it. Once it is done, we will restart the server.
Wait,
And
slow.
then we'll again check the
Slow. I have to write it. Download,
Yeah.
install. Okay, and then
install it. If installation completed,
and then verify, right?
Yeah,
Yes or no?
it will show the currently installed patch in, I guess,
Good answer.
it
Good
will show
answer.
it there. Then we have to restart the server, and we'll again have to log in to check if the server is patched or not. And it will be confirmed by seeing the uptime of the server. So if it is showing like some minutes or hour, then it is fully patched. It's for one server. But if we are having multiple servers, like thousands, then we have some tools to patch the servers. We use SCCM. So in that, we will just put the server list, and then some servers will get automatically patched. And if some are not able to getting patched, then we have to manually patch it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Guys, how you feel? Preeti answer is very good or not good? Because he told his real-time experience to you.
It's really good.
Very
Still, I'm
good, right?
able to press fully here, but yeah.
Very good. Preeti, I'm giving one homework. For one server, do it in front of everyone in this group, please. Okay? Possible? Not today. After 15 days, after 10 days. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm giving a 10 days time. Whatever you are doing in your company, this activity, it's a 5-minute activity. I will be with you. I know everything. Okay? But when I will teach the automation, first you will teach the manual thing, and I will teach the automation to all these people. Okay? Fine?
Okay. Yeah.
Chalo, good. But Preeti, I will reject you in this answer also, because I'm not satisfied with that. I need something else. How is this still missing? You can tell the complete process, but what is the command?
APT update.
Correct. Now Preeti don't know the command. Preeti, you know the command or not?
Yum update.
Correct. Yum update or apt update is the command. You have to run it and you have to follow this process and it will work. Good answer. Okay. Now this is the manual step. Okay. If it's 100 server, you can't do it manually. Okay. You need a automation tool like Ansible can able to do it. Yes, Puppet can also do, Chef can also do this activity, but they are 5 years old technology. The new technology is Ansible, who can able to do this all activity. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Anyone want to add anything? But I'm happy with the Preeti answer. Okay, cool. And let's assume now again the problem came. Okay, Preeti told her, Preeti, how many servers in your company? How many servers in your company? 100, 200, 500? Guess any number? Anyone give me the answer?
3 to 5,000.
3 to 5,000.
Like,
My God. Chalo, let
it's
assume. Chalo, let assume 3 to 5,000 servers are available in Preeti company. Guys, do you think that if I will tell you check the CPU memory for all the servers manually? No, not possible, right?
Not possible.
Impossible, very difficult, right? Check the logs of all the servers. Possible? Manually?
No.
No, right?
Yes.
It will be very tedious activity, practically not possible, right? So what is the solution? We have to bring up some monitoring tool who will monitor all these 300 servers or 3,000 servers. Guys, you understood the real-time problem? If out of 3,000, 5 servers are down, how you will get to know?
Yeah.
Right? You will never get to know, right? It will be very difficult to find which 5 servers are down. Okay, so to achieve this thing, I am going to teach you the monitoring part also. There are some monitoring tools available in your company also. Preeti, guys, everyone, which monitoring tool you are using in your company?
Grafana.
Very good.
Prometheus, Grafana,
Very good. Very good. I am going to teach you.
CloudOS,
Okay. CloudTrail. Okay. Zabbix. Good. Zabbix, whoever is telling he is an old person. Okay. Prometheus Grafana is a Kubernetes person, futuristic person team. Okay. And Splunk CloudWatch is also a very good answer. Okay. Nagios is an old technology, but I'm going to teach you Prometheus, Grafana, Splunk, and CloudWatch in my upcoming classes.
Sir, one question. This Amazon CloudWatch, we can use it to monitor on-premises also, right?
Possible. Yes, we can monitor the on-premises also with the help of CloudWatch. Okay, but not a preferred answer, not a very good answer, but possible. Okay, good.
So all other tools are on-premises, is it? So
no. Nothing is on-premises. You have to install it. Means it can be used into on-premises. It can be used into the cloud. These are open source tools. You can use it anywhere. But if you will use CloudWatch, you have to pay the rent every day, every second. If you will Prometheus and Grafana free for lifetime.
But possible, it's cost associated.
Possible. Okay, chalo guys, quickly, I need again to repeat it quickly. For the planning, which tool we have to use it? Everyone.
Jira.
Everyone, please quickly.
Jira.
Right? If someone will ask for the planning, which tool you are using? Jira. Simple answer. Okay. For coding, which as a DevOps engineer, which tool?
Visual Studio Code.
Cool, good. Okay. For the building purpose, if it's a Java-based project, Maven. Okay, very good. A lot of people are giving the answer Maven. Now I will change my question. If it's a Python-based project, then
PUAPI.
If it's a Python-based project, all 40 people will get rejected. Right? Yes or no? I changed my question. Maven. Okay.
Gradle.
Good, very good. Okay, what else? Guys, answer. And write into the chat box. Okay, for Python, what you will do?
PUAPI.
Everyone, write it into the chat box. I would like to reject you or select you into the written. Okay, go ahead. Silence. No one knows, right? Means whatever I'm teaching, you are able to understand, digest, but extra knowledge not. Okay. For Python, we don't require any build tool. Okay. It's a just run the file and it will work it. Okay. I will do the practical. No need to worry. Okay. No tool required for the Python. Cool. Chalo. Next question. Okay. For testing, which is the most popular option? Everyone?
Selenium.
Great. Okay, good. Okay. For releasing from one environment to another, most popular?
Jenkins.
Jenkins. Okay. Okay. To deploy into the environment, containerize option. What is the thing?
Okay.
Thank you. For making the automation, like Preeti is joining the team, patching activity, which tool can be achieved?
Ansible.
Okay, good. Okay. And for monitoring purpose, what is the most popular tools available into the market? Prometheus, Grafana, Nagios, Splunk, CloudWatch, or so many tools are available. Okay, but out of that, if it's now I'm distinguishing it. If it's a Kubernetes environment, Prometheus, Grafana is the most popular. If it's only AWS, CloudWatch is the most popular option. If you want to see the logging, Splunk is the option. And if your project is 5 years old, then people are using the Nagios.
So where is Gradle is used?
What is Steve? You're telling? What you're telling?
Where is Gradle is used?
Gradle is not a monitoring tool. No, Gradle is not a monitoring tool. It's a build tool, right? It's a build tool. Gradle is not a monitoring tool. Okay. There are so many monitoring tools which we will discuss in the upcoming classes. But have you understood that what we have to learn it? Yes or no? Right. In the next class, I will talk theory of the CI/CD, CTN, and all these things. Okay. How this flow has to be made. Okay. If anyone give the answer in one keyword, how this flow has to be made. Can you tell me the one keyword answer?
CI/CD.
Okay, acceptable. Yes, this is CI/CD, but this is in a pipeline form. Okay.
Pipeline.
Cool. Okay, and I will show you that also. And this also we will discuss the agile as well. Okay, how the agile works, how the waterfall works, and then our theory part will be completed. Your base has been created. You will be moved into the Linux part. Okay, we will create a GCP account in that Monday class. Okay, and we will create a Linux machine and we will start implementing whatever the theory we have learned, or we will do directly into the practical sites. Cool. Agree? Clear?
Yes.
Now, I want to listen from you. How was the last 3 days? Tell me. Able to understand? Not able to understand? Yes, no, yeah. What you are telling me? Not right. Speak up, please. Speak up. Speak up. People are telling very good, very good. Speak up. What exactly it is? Able to understand? Able to digest?
Yes.
Right? Any feedback? I'm super fast, slow, whatever it is. Anything?
Not it's too fast. It's I think we are just covering the theoretical part as of now.
Correct.
Once we will move in a product like a practical things, then at that
I
moment
will
I
be
think
very little bit
much
slow.
more clear. Right.
Yeah, correct. I will be little bit slow into the practical part. You don't have to worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I have to take care. I want you to do the practical, not me. I can do the every lot of practical. Right? I want you to do the practical. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
And I will give a proper time also to do the practical with me. Okay.
Yeah.
It will be helpful. Okay. And guys, there will be a competition between you guys. If 5 people or 10 people able to do it, I will consider that yes, it is achievable. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So you don't have to be slow. Okay. You have a weekend time. You want to, what we can say, whatever you want to do it. Okay. But you have to set up your proper chair, table, or whatever it is and move to the laptop. Okay. Cool. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Guys, now the question is.
So any assignment for the weekend?
No, nothing over the weekend. No. Okay. Cool. Assignment will be there. Yeah, assignment. If you're talking about the assignment, yes. You can go here. There is a weekend sheet is available. Okay, weekend learning, cloud computing, handwritten notes are available. Read it. Okay, read it, please. It will be helpful for you. Okay, read this handwritten notes, bare metal, hardware, and all these things. It will be helpful for you.
Sir,
okay?
this link access is not available.
Everything is available, Nagraj.
No, I was not able to see. I actually messaged you.
Okay, chal, I will show you. Okay, you can share a screen. You can go, guys, everyone go into this link. Okay, go into this link. Okay, there is a option will come. If 0 rupees buy now option is coming, let me open in incognito window. Okay, there may be chances. This 0 rupees buy now option is coming. You can click it. If you are satisfied, you want to continue. Okay, you want to continue learning with me, then you have to enroll it, because Monday class we will consider for the registered people only. I will not give the links and all this thing into the group and all this thing. Recording will maybe not come into the YouTube as well. it will, everything will be to the LMS system. If you are ready, satisfied with me, want to continue, you have to enroll this course, okay? And then you will able to access everything, okay? You have to click on this buy now 0 for the testing purpose. You can test this, okay? As soon as you will give your email ID, mobile number, you will get this continue option. As soon as you will click on continue, be very slow, okay? Be very simple. Pre-request, close this. Pre-request day 1, day 2 material will be here. Day 3 details will be here. Weekend detail will be available here. Cloud computing notes are available here. Cloud computing quiz is available. Only 9 questions. Try. Do 100% cheating. Google, ChatGPT, but do the quiz, right? For me, it's not a matter that you are getting first or last. For me, it's matter that you know the answer. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? If you will do the cheating, it's not a problem, but you will learn the things. Do the cheating that you learn the things. Are you agree? Yes, no. Right? And then Linux commands quiz is also there, which you don't have to follow. We will do the next week. Okay. Linux cheat sheet is available, which you don't have to read it now, next week. Okay. And if you want to upload your current resume, you can upload your current resume also. Okay. That is also fine. Okay. So that we can review your current resume also. And then we will start adding the cloud, DevOps, Linux, AWS, GCP, everything into your resume. And we will make you the cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay. Now, the important part is, guys, if you really want to continue, yes, you have to enroll for the course. If you will not enroll, you will not able to continue from here. Okay. The enrollment is very straightforward. If you will go and learn all this thing from anywhere, it will be chargeable around 65 to 70,000 rupees. Okay. And you will able to get it or not, but I can take the guarantee. I will teach you everything. Okay. And if you want to enroll it, really, I'm ready to give you this into the 25,000 rupees is the final price. Okay. And you can say that 2,000 rupees is again a discount available for the next 2-3 students, and you will able to come for the 2 batches. That is also acceptable. Okay. Acceptable for you. Okay. So yes, the fees is 22,000 rupees if you will enroll it today. Okay. After that, we will not call you for all these things. Okay. We will learn with the only serious people. Make sense? Yes or no? Clear? And yes, only the right people will be continue from here. Whoever is available into this group. Okay. Guys, now let me stop the recording. Okay.